Hello, in front of me I've got DDPAI Mini 3 dashcam. In this video I'll show you the camera preview. Let's take a look on the camera itself. Right here we've got the lens. On this side of the camera we can twist this part, which is actually the holder. Thanks to this part we can attach our camera to the front windshield. Next, right here on the bottom of the camera, we've got microphone and reset holes. Right here, we've got the microphone, thanks to which we can record audio videos, and thanks to reset hole, we can reset our camera if it freezes. Right here, we've got the power supply, power port. We can connect it to mini jack or USB cable. And basically that's it about the camera. The last part right here we've got the speaker. And now let's take a look at the additions we've got in the original box. Here is the remote shutter. If we press this button, we will take photos or record videos. Next we've got, of course, the power cable and the whole box with additional manual and USB adapter to our car. In the end, in the box we can find replaceable sticker to attach it to front windshield. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.